Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the view at the Braemar. Very nice building. It's an apartment building. It's 10 floors, located in New Kingston. It's actually located at 21 Braemar Avenue, and the name is View at the Braemar. Now these units were built by Proven Investments, and it consists of 99 units. And the 2-bedroom units were sold out in 30 minutes after they went on the market. So there clearly is a demand for these kind of apartments, and there are so many more on the way. So let's go through this project. Okay, this building is finished. The zinc fence that you're seeing is actually another building that's being built right across the road. It's like almost every road in Jamaica has some sort of construction going on. It's a booming economy. Okay, so let's go through the via at the Braemar. Now, Proven built this building, and they're actually building 9 more, or they have 9 more developments going on. Some are finished already, but in all they have 10 real estate developments going on. 10. So this building cost $2.5 billion to build. Okay, it's a 10-story building located at 21 Braemar Avenue in the New Kingston area. The building was designed by architect David Douglas. It was financed by Victoria Mutual Building Society, and it consists of 99 mixed units. 30 of the units are 1-bedroom, 51 studios, and 18 2-bedroom units. And it's a luxury apartment building, so you're going to have a reception area, landscape lounges, rooftop pool, business and coffee center. And to give you an idea, actually all the units are sold out. It has a pool, a rooftop pool, it has a gym, underground parking, basically all the amenities that come with a luxury building. Now the studios went for 21 million, the 1-bedrooms 27 million, the 2-bedrooms 40 million, and the penthouses 45 million. Now if you think 45 million for a penthouse is expensive, there is another building called the Rogers, and the penthouse for that building is $230 million. So maybe that's why these sold out so quickly, because they're so much, well, compared to the other one, a market, it all has to do with the size. And the Rogers is actually 20 stories. This one is 10, and has 99 units. And the Rogers is 20 floors and has 129 units. So clearly the units at the Rogers are a lot bigger because they have 10 additional floors. That's just to give you an idea. And all these units are sold out. The building is actually finished. And it was built by Proven Investments, or I think they have Proven Properties. And it's located in New Kingston. Okay, I'm looking for the list of the other properties that Proven is doing, just to give you an idea. Okay, they have 10 real estate projects, 4 to be completed in 2022, which is last year. They have the Caesar, which is a residential complex, 6 villas, 9 apartments. They have the Via at the Braemar, which we're looking at, which is 99 units. They have Gladstone Commercial, which is commercial units, and they have the Lagoons in Cayman Islands, which is 13 townhouses. Oh, it's a Proven Group Limited, used to be Proven Investments Limited, and they are building throughout the Caribbean. Alright, so Jamaica definitely is experiencing a boom in these buildings. What happened is the law changed recently to allow for these high-rise buildings to be built on smaller lots of land. So that's why you find so many of them going up now. And I can tell you, currently the tallest building in Jamaica is 17 floors, which is the Pegasus. That's going to be surpassed by the Rogers, which is going to be 20 floors later this year. And then the Rogers is going to be surpassed by the Ascent, which is 26 floors or 27 floors. And then you're going to have a building in Montego Bay that's going to surpass the Ascent at 28 floors. So it's a booming economy. The other day, the government announced a $1 trillion budget. I mean, a lot of progress going on in Jamaica. You have so many high-rise buildings. We're looking at the view at the Braemar, 10 floors. You have the Cambridge right across the road. That's under this isn't the Cambridge. This is, I'm not sure what building this is. But it's not, the Cambridge is, we're going to show you soon. But the Cambridge is another residential apartment building that has 179 units. It's 10 floors. You have the Rogers, 20 floors. You have Parkland that's completed. You have Genesis 28 that's completed. These are all residential. You have 20 South that's completed. Residential again. You have the residences at Terra Nova. That's going to be a part of the hotel now. 14 floors. But when they went on the market as residential. Then up the road from the Terra Nova, you have Nitmars at Waterloo. You have so many of these buildings going up. And then you have so many commercial buildings. You have One Belmont. You have Burrito building a building in New Kingston. You have Musson building one in a 10-story building in Halfway Tree. You have a commercial building at 6 floors going up on Haining Road. You have another one going up on Holborn Road. It's a lot going on, really, these reconstruction in Jamaica. And they wouldn't build them if persons weren't renting them. So you're really impressed with what's going on. Alright guys, so we'll keep you updated on all these buildings. But this is a very nice building. It's well designed, very artistic. And then you have the Ruthven Towers, also in New Kingston. Those are being built by NHT. They built the first tower, and I think they're building towers 2, 3, and 4. Phase 2 of the project is 3 more towers. I think it's over 200 more apartments. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.